Hey guys, Charles here. Day 6, question number 6. Tomorrow is the big day. Who can you help specifically with what you know, your skills, your expertise, your experiences? Who can benefit the most from that? Is there a group of people? Is there an organization? Is there a community that you can address, that you can join and help them with their problems? And that's what this is all about, because over the past year, 90% of the business owners, the entrepreneurs, and the marketers I have talked to have struggled with this endlessly of who their bullseye is. And if you don't know who your bullseye is, then it's hard to create an elevator pitch. It's hard to create a problem solution statement. It's hard to create ads and marketing and any kind of copy or promotional materials that speaks to the people that want your products or services. Get registered. It's free. If you have registered, consider upgrading to the Elite VIP experience, because we're going to be really deep diving down rabbit hole on this stuff, and we're going to get really granular, and you're going to get an extra hour hot seat and just really ask me anything. I'll be doing Q&As, we'll be doing hot seats, and we'll be digging down deeper into all these three main topics.